Hello everyone. Now we are going to start with the email security. As we know, electronic mail, email is uh, most widely used technology over the network services for transmission of your messages from sender to receiver. Currently, these message contents are not secure. Maybe they are inspected either in transmission or by suitably privileged users on destination system. Okay, destination system इसको properly handle करेगी इसकी कोई guarantee नहीं. So how we are going to protect it? How you are going to provide the security over the email services? So for this reason, email security requirement क्या क्या होनी चाहिए? For a secure email transmission, there is a confidential is required. Authentication is most important part. Integrity, that means your data will not be altered or will not be changed during the transmission. Non-repudiation, um any another third party uh, show of like this whether message is sent from the actual sender. Okay, so how we are going to protect it? Okay, first of all, you can see that the sender generate the email. Okay, sender generated the email, then this email transfer data to SMTP servers. SMTP server, that is simple mail transmission protocol servers. Okay, these these messages are transformed from SMTP to SMTP servers, whether the internet through we are going to transfer them to the receiver side. Okay, so sender SMTP server and receiver SMTP server are the servers which are working on sender and receiving side for accepting or sending and receiving the email over the internet. Okay, so this is a basic working. For that reason, PEM, Privacy Enhanced Mail. Privacy Enhanced Mail is a technique where the security is provided. So PEM is a Privacy Enhanced Mail adopted by the Internet Architecture Board (IAB) to provide secure electronic mail communication over the internet. इंटरनेट के ऊपर जो सिक्योरली ईमेल ट्रांसमिशन करना है तो उसके लिए हम लोग ये प्राइवेसी एनहांस मेल यूज करते हैं. Okay, so क्या क्या steps होंगे? How you are going to prevent it? How you are going to provide the security? So first is the conversion, canonical conversion. We are performing the canonical conversion. We are providing the digital signature. We are encrypt that message and base 64 encoding. We are going to distribute this message block of text into 64 blocks and then perform the uh, conversion task. Okay. So how canonical conversion works? PM transforms, okay? PM, जैसे आप लोगों को अभी बताया privacy enhanced mail. PEM transforms each mail message into an abstract canonical representation. This is means that regardless of the architecture and operating system, sending and receiving computers, the email message always travels in uniform and independent format. आप किसी तरीके के कोई आर्किटेक्चर या ओएस कॉल्स में इसको आप लोग कन्वर्ट नहीं करेंगे. इसको आप लोग एक यूनिफॉर्म एक स्ट्रक्चरल फॉर्म में डिजाइन करके फिर आप लोग आगे ट्रांसफर करते हो. ठीक है, तो कैनोनिकल कन्वर्जन में ये क्या हो जाएगा कि आपका एक पूरा का पूरा जो इंफॉर्मेशन होती है वी आर गोइंग टू convert this information into an abstract format. Basic or prior information is only sent from sender to receiver. Okay, कैसे होगा देखो डिजिटल सिग्नेचर उसमें दूसरी स्टेप होती है. वट एवर द ईमेल मैसेजेस कौन भेज रहा है दैट इज टू abc@xyz.com from and subject name. This all information is going to be converted or according to this information the new value is generated, that is message digest value is generated by using the MD5 algorithm or any secure algorithm. So consider this information is converted into 101010 format. Okay, then by using the server center's private key, this information, whatever the information is converted into hash value, this hash value is again converted and that is called as a digital signature. Encrypt. We are going to encrypt this hash value and generate a digital signature by using the sender's private key. Okay, so this is how your security is provided, digital signature is provided. Then at the encryption side, see, email message, whatever the original message and the digital signature, that is newly generated value, is merged, and then both values get encrypted, and then the resultant value is generated. DES algorithm, data encryption standard algorithm, you can say that. So original message and digital signature, whatever the operation we have performed last, जो भी हमने जनरेट की उसके हैश वैल्यू, ये दोनों एक साथ इंक्रिप्ट करके फिर आगे पास किए जाते हैं. So suppose that particular message is in having a 24-bit input, जो भी वो generate हुआ होगा 24 input, that 24 input 24-bit input is subdivided into 6 bit blocks. Okay, 6 bit के जो blocks होंगे उसमें distribute करेंगे हम लोग. For example, ये 64 base encoding कैसे है तो वो हम लोग देख रहे हैं अभी. So 24-bit input is there. So 24 इनपुट के हम लोगों ने क्या कर दिए, छः छः के हम लोगों ने 4 ब्लॉक में डिवाइड कर दिए. दे आर डिवाइडेड इनटू 6 बिट ब्लॉक्स में इसको डिवाइड कर दिया. नाउ आइडेंटिफाई द its binary value. Identify the binary value. This is nothing but 8. This is 53. This is 50. This is 17. Okay, and according to this, there is a 64-bit mapping table is there. So for example, this one, for 0 it will represent A, for 1 it will represent B, for 2 C. See, there are 64, 0 to 63 values are there, and for each and every value there is a each specific character or alphanumeric code is given. Okay, तो 64 बेस कैसे होगा, 8 के लिए जो आप लोगों को असाइन किया होगा, 8 के लिए क्या है असाइन, I. ओके, 53 के लिए 1, 50 के लिए Y, और हमारा लास्ट वन 17 के लिए R. तो 17 के लिए we are going to represent the R value. So this is how your 64 base conversion is done. Now write the ASCII code. ASCII value of I, ASCII value of 1, ASCII value of Y, ASCII value of R. Equivalent binary उसका वहाँ पर आप लोगों को लिखना है, आइडेंटिफाई करना है, and then this message is provided to the or transmitted to the communicating system. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द ईमेल सिक्योरिटी. क्या क्या देखा हम लोगों ने, सबसे पहले हमारा कैनोनिकल कन्वर्जन होता है, एक सिंपल मैसेजिंग जो हमारा होगा वो यहाँ पर हम लोग नोट डाउन करते हैं. वी आर गोइंग टू कैलकुलेट द डाइजेस्ट वैल्यू फ्रॉम द बेसिक इंफॉर्मेशन. दिस डाइजेस्ट वैल्यू इज इंक्रिप्टेड and generate a digital signature according to it. Then the original message plus digital signature combined with both are combined together, and then we are going to encrypt them. Okay, so encryption and decryption plays the most important role in email security. After that, whatever the information is generated, suppose consider there is a 24-bit input is generated, so we are distributing this into equal parts. So 6 बिट के 4 इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दिया, आइडेंटिफाइंग द बाइनरी वैल्यू फॉर द सेम, आइडेंटिफाइंग द बेस 64 बेस वैल्यू फॉर द सेम, एंड देन write the equivalent ASCII code. So this is how you are going to provide a secured email. You can generate a secured email. Okay.